Two pages, one identical title tag. Let's see exactly why that's quietly costing you real clicks in Google. Your title and meta description are the real ad copy Google shows in search results, not just invisible metadata. A duplicate, truncated, or missing description genuinely hurts your click-through rate at the exact same ranking position. Open graph tags separately control how your link looks when it's shared on social media, and small, honest improvements to these tags can meaningfully increase clicks without your rank changing at all. This exact title tag appears on two completely different real pages on this site. Google genuinely can't tell them apart, and neither can a searcher scanning results. Every real page should have its own unique title describing exactly what that page covers, not a generic site-wide phrase reused everywhere. Google genuinely cuts descriptions of around 155 to 160 characters on desktop. Anything after that point is real wasted writing. Skip the meta description entirely, and Google writes its own snippet from page text, usually words, and never what you'd actually choose. Without a real open graph title and image, your link shows a broken, blank preview every single time it's shared on social media. A title stuffed with the same keyword repeated reads as spam to both Google's real algorithm and any actual human scanning results. Adding a real year or number to a title genuinely earns more clicks when a searcher is specifically looking for current information. This real description is short, specific, and leads with the actual benefit exactly what a genuinely well-optimized snippet looks like. That's the entire real fix, repeated across every page on a site, one honest, specific title and description, written for the actual human reading it. Next, the exact real numbers Google checks for core web vitals.